monster. What else can you tell me? What else can you tell me, huh? You got all the way off the blanket. That's some excuse. There you go. There you go, Peyton. Keep trying. Levi, you be nice, okay?
I stepped on my foot on Mama.
Why? On accident?
On the foot.
On purpose?
Yes, she was in the way and I was walking there.
Listen, we are videotaping, and this is documentation of how whiny you are. Okay?
Mama.
I know you want to go with Mama, but she's just going to be right back. Levi, stop! You're shaking the camera. Look at her bury her face in it. Levi, this is really shaky camera work because you're climbing on me like a jungle gym.
I got you.
What are you doing? You gonna roll over or not? Is it getting hard? You tired? Peyton, what are you doing? Look over here. Oh, are you gonna do it? Try. Try to do it. It's a lot of work, I know. Whoa, there we go. Yay! Look at you. You did it. You feel good? You happy? Whatever. Make some of those noises you were making. Peyton. Go like this. You got more for me?
Still wooden.
What's Mom?
What's that? What was that?
That's Mama's coffee maker.
That's really.
Make some more?
Somebody making that.